Level up, the Unconference. What if one day could change everything? What if the difference between where you are and where you want to be was just one conversation, one breakthrough, one decision away? Welcome to Level Up, the Unconference, a movement designed for ambitious professionals, entrepreneurs, and changemakers who are ready to rise beyond inspiration and into implementation. This isn't another motivational event. It's a full immersion experience where expert coaches, proven strategies, and powerful connections collide to help you accelerate your growth, expand your vision, and build unstoppable momentum. At Level Up, we believe success happens faster when knowledge is shared. Barriers are broken, and collaboration replaces competition. Because when you learn together, grow together, and take action together, you don't just move forward. You level up. This is more than an event. It's a catalyst, a community that continues long after the day ends, where accountability, support, and opportunity keep you moving toward your next level. Whether you're building your business, advancing your career, or redefining your next chapter, this is your time. Your chance to connect, to grow, to rise. Level Up, the Unconference, where inspiration ends and implementation begins. Learn, connect, grow. It's your time to level up. Reserve your seat today.